A whole lot of PSU stocks will be in focus. Oil and marketing companies, telecom, banking and financial stocks, all of those will be up on our radar screens as we go along. The initial ticks, and there you have it, the Nifty flat as flat can be. 4865 is the opening tick coming in on the index, not going anywhere directionally. Couple of those oil and marketing companies, and I can see green ticks on them. BPCL has opened stronger in just the few minutes of trade. Couple of other stocks will also come up for you on your screens at this juncture. We are looking at Tata Motors, that one, green tick coming in on that stock. Let's bring up the index gainers first for you. We have a Ranbaxy, which is corrected a bit, so down about 2% on that one. Maruti Suzuki is looking a bit weak ahead of the budget, down about 1.5% for that. Tata Power, Idea Cellular down both about 1% in the session at opening bell. Let's bring up the gainers then, and the stocks which are really getting excited. And Reliance Industries, 975 on that stock, 1% higher in opening bell. You have BPCL, like we just pointed out a little while back, positive opening coming in there. So oil and gas, Andy, broadly seems to be the theme that's being played out, at least in the opening minutes of trade. GAIL up about 1%. There's some bit of excitement in the metals pack as well. Sterlite Industries up 1% on that counter. Reliance Communications and the entire telecom pack would be in focus as well in the session. Relcom up about 1%. So really being divided down the middle right now for the benchmark indices, not anywhere directionally, but this was pretty much expected lines given that traders want to play it live before the event.